Yo, Cash. Welcome back to another video. Your boy giving y'all boys back-to-back uploads. I got a little allergy problem going on. I didn't think I was gonna have allergies this summer. Your boy might sound a little stopped up. You feel me? But today's video, something new. Trying something new, I guess. We are going to relace these boots. These are boots I wore last summer. I'm talking about last winter. I got them from Walmart. They're $30, and I want to rework them. I had this idea in my head for like a week now. I'm like, damn, we gotta do this. Sorry, I'm stuttering a little bit. I'm thirsty. I still have a shitty mic. Yesterday, I went to the Jamaican Day Parade in New York. Beautiful, man. It was crazy. But the thing is, we missed the parade, but we got to like the aftermath of it, which was still packed. So I enjoyed it. You know, it still was fun. You know, I gotta show y'all the boots. I forgot. And these are the boots. Oh, they're in the box still. Hold on. These are called Ozark Trails. They're $30 at Walmart, and I like. I don't know if this is going to work out 100%. I do not know. Like I said, I don't know if this is going to work out, but we're going to try. These are the laces I will be using. My mom got these off her shoes. She got some Pumas that come with the thick sole. I mean the thick laces, I guess. For some reason, I feel like this isn't going to work. It's not going to fucking work. I got a feeling it's not going to work, but we're going to try. We're going to try. All right, on this side of the room, I don't have the best lighting, you know. This is the workstation. You know, this is where I do everything. I don't know if this is going to work or not, like I said, you know. But this is the first boot. I think this is the left foot. And, yeah, we're working on it. I don't know if I should do a voiceover or what. I'm still deciding. I could always just edit it, mute my audio on this one, and just talk over it. Even though that's more work, but it is what it is, bro. So this probably be a time lapse or some shit. All right, so I got the first boot finished. Now I'm on to the second boot, and I don't know how I feel about the first boot. I think I'm gonna try to relace it. I think I messed it up, but yeah, we're gonna try better with this boot. All right, so these are the boots. I don't know how I feel about them. I don't know. I have mixed emotions about them. I don't know. We gonna make a fit right fast. I'm gonna just wear them right fast because I already got a fit on. So we gonna see what this shit look like. All right, here's what they look like on feet. I don't know. These hoes look fat. I have a mixed emotion still. I don't know how I feel about them. I don't know. Well, that was today's video. You know, that was today's video. I think they'd be better if they were black laces, but my mom has the black laces, so I have to buy some. But this is just an experiment. I told y'all, I don't know if that was gonna look good or not. It was just an experiment, but thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in today's video. And hella more videos is coming soon, man. Thank you for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.